Welcome to personalwebtutor.com. Today we are going to be doing some physics, some kinematics. This is motion. And so what we got here is a position versus time graph. We have x, which is in meters, and then we have time, which is in seconds. And this is the time graph for a certain object. And what we want to do is we want to find the average velocity for these intervals right here. And I got a special one up there. And so here we go. Let's get to this problem. In order to find the average velocity, we want to use this formula right here, which is V average is equal to the change in x over the change in time. So let's do that right here. The x value here, the displacement is going to be at time is 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 is 2 meters. So we have 2 meters minus 0 meters all over. The time difference is 3 seconds. So it's 3 seconds minus 0 seconds. So you see the average velocity is equal to 2 meters per 3 seconds, which is 0.67 meters per second. All right, let's try this one here. This time we are going to go at 4 seconds. So at 4 seconds, the value, the position is going to be 4 meters minus the value at 3 seconds, which is 2 meters, all divided by 4 seconds minus 3 seconds. And this is going to be equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2 meters. And we got just 1 second left. So that's 2 meters per second. That is the average velocity right here. Let's try this one from 3 to 7 seconds. So from 3 to 7. So at 7, the value is 6. We're at 6 meters. We're going to subtract the value at 3, and you get 2 meters. And that time is going to be 7 seconds minus 3 seconds. So you see we get 4 on top divided by 4 on the bottom. So it's 1 meter per second is the average velocity. That's the average velocity between this point and that point. Now let's get this long, steep right here velocity. This is gonna be negative. We got a negative velocity here. So let's do it. We got 9 seconds. The velocity is 1. I'm sorry. The position is 1. And then we're going to subtract the position at 7, which was 6. And of course the time, 9 seconds minus 7 seconds. So we get a negative here. So it's going to be negative 5 over 2. So the velocity average is going to be equal to 2.5 meters per second, but we can't forget that minus sign. Negative. All right, this one here, from 9 to 10 seconds, you see the displacement, the difference in the displacement is 0, because the displacement is 1 for both of them. And so this one's very easy, 0 meters per second. All right, from 10 to 12. At 12 seconds, we are at minus 1 meter. So minus 1 meter minus a 1 meter divided by 12 seconds minus 10 seconds. So we get a negative 2 over 2, which equals negative 1 meters per second. And then finally, we were going to do one for the whole thing. From 12 seconds, from 0 to 12 seconds, the position at 12 seconds was negative 1 minus 0 divided by 12 minus 0. So that is going to be 1/12 meters per second. So that's what we do here with this graph. It's how we find the average velocity. Remember this formula. It's the change in the displacement divided by the change in time. And that's done by, we were given this graph of how this object is moving through space. And so if you have any questions, go to personalwebtutor.com and click on Ask a Question. And you never know, perhaps your question will be my next video. Thank you.